Hello, my name is Won-ho from Gwangju National University. I would like to talk about electrical machine world. This is the title of my presentation, Developing Effective Engineering Education Game in Metaverse. The subtitle is Building Roblox Electrical Machine World. Let me present in the different mode. Let me introduce first about my subject. Roblox is a game platform and it's created in 2004. As of 2020, it has 164 million monthly active users, very large. And Roblox supports accurate physical world simulation, and the users can implement engineering and scientific virtual simulation very easily. There are some, but not much engineering related games of university level in Roblox. So we designed and implemented the electrical machine world game for university level engineering course teaching. And we designed the electrical machine parts using Blender for the 3D models and exported them to Roblox. Blender is open source, so in the Blender we were able to generate a part like this, and eventually this part of electrical machine was exported to Roblox world. And in the stage of design and development, we made the students to be forced to find and arrange or assemble the right parts. We used points, status, and stage values for monitoring and scoring students for gamification. Students can advance their stage when they get a certain point in each stage. They are asked to submit the captured image of the leaderboard as an assignment to an LMS system. The game scenario was designed to enhance the level of understanding of electrical machines. The learning objective is targeted to achieve the understanding and apply level, not only to the knowledge level, which is these terms are reference to the Bloom's taxonomy. The participants interact with the game environment by touching, mouse clicking, or moving the parts according to system directives. The parts animation is provided as much as possible in each stage to expose the core knowledge transfer. The repetitive user interaction in the changing environment makes the students understand more knowledge or phenomena naturally and smoothly. The game was integrated into the whole class, and we used the class operation strategy like these. So these are sequence of activities for the course. The first they did OK mind map activity. After that, actually the Roblox game followed, and some GeoGebra activity, and the Moodle keys was evaluated to check their understanding level. Finally, they are supposed to turn in their task or homework by using the Moodle workshop, which is the activity supporting peer review. Let me briefly mention each individual activity processes. So, OK mind map, just like this presentation I'm using for this conference, I use OK mind map as the text textbook. So in this textbook, sorry for this Korean, textbook provides many information about images and text and link, and it can include the YouTube itself and many other components can be included. So this is kind of a multimedia platform for the content delivery. The other use of OK Management is collaboration. Many students can create in collaboration the mind map. So both for the presentation and collaboration, this OK Mind Map activity is very useful for the class operation strategy. And the second was the Roblox game. So Roblox game I like to introduce briefly. So if you go to the place, the students are supposed to connect to the Roblox game we made. So this is a game. So they are supposed to move. Okay, the place. And the first place they are supposed to touch the right part to get the point, and you can see some explanation. He is supposed to touch the right part according to the direction appeared here. If he passed the first stage, he can proceed to the next stage, and here he's supposed to click each individual wire connection spots. So if he choose the right sequence, he will get the score and can finish the second stage. After that, he can move to the third stage, in which he was able to click this button on the ground, and this machine is supposed to move. Okay, so unfortunately, I was not able to involved deeply for the game. Because this is engineering related game, we need some kind of measuring devices. Looks like an oscilloscope here. So this is what we develop for the additional component for the game world. And students are supposed to go there and click when you click the button, and they will be able to watch the flow of currents and magnets in the animation. And you can see that if you go close there, you can see the changing current magnitude from the oscilloscope, which is exactly matching with the current flowing on the wire, the currents on the wire. And this current is generating the flux, which looks very high transparent arrow on the space. So if you stop, and you can check, the students can check the status of currents and magnets in the real time and start it again. So this module can be repetitively used during the whole game procedures. And about the other components, so students are supposed to create their own GeoGebra after watching the game. This GeoGebra module is very good and important. It enables the students to do actually the learning by doing experience, and they are supposed to solve the quiz from the Moodle. The Moodle provides more than 10 kinds of quiz types, especially for engineering, the simple calculated, which can repetitively generate a random number based formula quiz, so that every student can get a different question with the other students, and even they can try several times for the quiz with the different numbers according to based on the formula embedded onto the quizzes. And peer review, if you go to peer review, they can turn in their homework, and the other students is evaluating the other students which is assigned to the students, and they are evaluated by the whole process of peer reviewing result. Okay, with this whole processes, and we were able to get the conclusion like this. The students play the game during the class of about 10 or 15 minutes. The feedback from students is collected and reflected to record the game script. So the game script is now is changing, is improving as time goes on. The game made the class more fun and delighted, refreshing atmosphere. The students' response was satisfactory and voluntary. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.